pretty. She's doing really, really well in our home. And she's very, very gentle. She's, her hair had grown beautifully, thick, black, and very shiny coat. And she's very friendly and very submissive. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Take the toy away from her. No, this is Mommy's toy. Do you want to have this one here? Yeah? Yeah? Good girl. Come, lay down. Good girl. Yeah? Belly rubbing? Okay, belly rubbing time. Belly rubbing time. It's really pretty. She has a shiny black coat and her front chest, there's a little white here. It's a special marking. Yeah? Good girl. Come. Yeah, come. Wanna come up more? Come. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Come, wanna sit? Oopsie. Okay. Pretty? Come on, sit. Get up. Okay. Sit. Good girl. Nope. Sit. Oh, you wanna go down? You mean to sit again? Stand. Okay, that's nice. Sit. Go down. Good girl.